nanguna po ang pagiging megastar. Sisters and brothers, instead of seeing God, many times we see the negatives. Ito po ang hingin natin kay Lord today. Lord, huwag na po sana akong maging mega star. Ano po ang mega star? Tignan po nyo. Number 1, are you a mega thinker? Lahat na iniisip mo, perception mo, belief mo, feelings mo, mostly negative. May nakita ka? Wala yan. Wala yan. You become suspicious. You doubt everything. Wala. Kalokohan lang yan. Maniwala ka dyan. Mga ganong attitude po. You don't give a chance for goodness to be there. Sometimes, you look at even at your loved ones. Ay, si Kwan kasi ganyan talaga na yan eh. Hindi mo naman pinagbibigyan, baka mayroon pa naman yatang pag-asa yan.